Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's August the 10th, 2023. Here to talk about Aptos today. And I want to ask you all the question, what do you think about its future? Well, I'm going to give you all a hint. It also includes Microsoft. Now, do you think the future is bright for Aptos? This particular cryptocurrency, this particular market for Aptos, do you think the future is going to be great? Considering that they are now partnering, right here, you guys can see it with the article from CoinDesk, that they are partnering with Microsoft to come up with new blockchain AI tools. Pretty fascinating, right? What do you think about the price though? Because yesterday in the price action, when this information came out, you guys can see that it was posted yesterday into the market. The market in Aptos actually ended the day higher. Look at that. The market was up 10.5% to conclude on the day. Isn't that fantastic to see? But it wasn't that great though in the move. Let me show you why. Because the market price action in Aptos, you guys can see, is still trading in a trading channel. So even the news that Aptos is partnering with Microsoft did not even break price outside of this consolidational trading channel. See that? Now, there was definitely some volatility coming into the market. I mean, look at the volume. This much volume hasn't came into Aptos since it ran up back in 2023 of this year, at the beginning of this year. We haven't seen this much volume at all in Aptos since maybe like January 26th. And that's when the market price was around what? $18 to $20. What do you think? Are we about to see the market in Aptos break out? What does the future look like in this particular cryptocurrency's price? Let's look at Aptos real quick on the 2-day chart. Okay, so you guys can tell here in the next 13 hours, 17 minutes. Again, we have to pay attention to where the market is currently closing, and it is well off of the highs. That resembles that selling is coming to the market in Aptos there. Here it is on the 3-day chart too. Real quick look at Aptos on the 5-day chart. The market is just waiting for more positive news or something to spur to get people to move and buy, so it can finally break outside of this $8 resistance area. Like, look at how many times on this 5-day chart that the market in Aptos could not break above $8. It's going to take a lot more volume, look like, to break $8 to the upside. It's going to take more volume than this 5-day price bar. Here's Aptos on the weekly. Okay, take a look at Aptos on the 2 weeks, 3. And I would tell you, one of the good things that I don't see on the chart is a lot of weakness. I really don't see this particular cryptocurrency as being weak like that. And more or less that it's going to continue to trade within this trading channel that we currently see. It looked like the market is trying to find a bottom here in Aptos right now. This is the 330-minute chart real quick. You guys can see here that we are finding a higher level of support into the market in Aptos, which is great. Fantastic for us to see that as well, because it tells us that currently the market is going to try to come back up to this $8, $7.80 level and try to break it to the upside. Now again, will they be successful? Well, that's yet to be determined into the market in Aptos. Here it is on the 90-minute chart as well too. Okay, take a look at Aptos on the 45-minute. Here it is on the 7. Let's give y'all a real quick look into the market in Aptos. You can see here on the 7-hour chart that this is where the sellers came in, but the buyers are still putting in work on this current 7-hour price bar in order to try to make sure that it doesn't fall a lot further. Okay, so what we're going to do you think this move to the upside is over in Aptos? Do you think the market's going to try to attempt, I would say maybe like $7.70 as the first target, then maybe $8 as the second? So now let me put this on the chart again. We're going to look for the market in Aptos to go higher, because on our last video we didn't do a price prediction. Well, now we are, and like 775.72 is going to be our first target. You guys can see that's 4.39% there. Second target's up here at this resistance area at $8, 8.10%. And we're going to look for the market in Aptos to have a greater probability, a greater chance to come up to this resistance area than it does hitting this support area down here at the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that, and hopefully there would be enough momentum, enough interest to actually finally break price in Aptos above $8. Because if so, then we'll definitely continue to look forward to price going higher. Okay, bring this up just a little bit more. We'll hold it there. And that's it. I am through. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys want more of this content that we are creating here on this particular channel. It is something to allow us to understand that it doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be complex. We simply look at price bars and volume to understand what the market is really trying to do. You want to learn more? Then go ahead and follow me. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.